Hi, Crossledge. Good morning. Good morning, Sir Chris. Good morning. Good morning, Sir Chris. Thank you for always joining my live. Thank you so much for your effort, for your time. Something like that. Time. You're welcome. Where are you from, Sir Chris? Kakamis. Where are you from? Kakamis. Good morning, kape-kape, hoy. Respond. Kape-kape. I'm alright. Thank you. Kakamis. Tatan, one Thank you. Thank you for just putting a tag on phone. Putting a tag on phone. Putting. Putting. Hi, Sir Pat. Hello, Cheryl, sister. Good morning. Good to see you. Thank you, Sir Pat, for joining. Have a nice day. Tired of telling everyone you're from yes, that's why. Because everyone asking where you from, something like that. Hello, brother Fred. Good morning. Good to see you from Sir Pat. Hey, Pat. Miss. Thank you, 21 million in the house. How are you? Carry more. Carry Young Melling. Hi. You're from your mother. Yeah, something like that. Got be honest. Where are you from? Hello, pretty Pinay Francis. Hi, Sir James. Beauty lady. Oh, thank you. Rampa. Good morning, my dear. Hello, Rampa. Thank you joining again. Thank you for your efforts. Thank you for loving me. Hello. Hi. Hi, Kanya. Hey, you. Miss Malik sa 90s. From the ground. Thank you sa heart. Thank you to those who sending hearts. Thank you so much. Thank you sa likes. Thank you sa gifts. Sa gift. Hi. I need to watch my own life, my God. Support myself, of course. Hello, Sontari. Hi. Hello, beautiful. Hello. Thank you for loving me. I really appreciate that. How many roster do I have to get to live? Lul. Unlimited. It's up to you. Question. Thank you for liking me. You just want to see yourself 2 times another. Yes, I love my I love watching myself. My God. Wait. My case is very expensive. You can't afford my case. Sorry, you just want to see yourself. Yes. Why would she kiss you? My case is very expensive. No one can afford. Thank you for loving me, Pages. Yes, you are looking so beautiful. Thank you. Really? Just wake up looking beautiful? My God. Funny. Hello, Frommy. Huh? Pico side. Hi, Pico side. How are you? I can afford kisses. Wah. Like your hair. Oh, thank you for liking my hair. My hair. Hi, Sir Chris. Oh, thank you. Really, I'm sexy. And I know it. I'm sexy. Hi, Sir Chris. Thank you for joining again. We like your hair. Thank you. Sir Pat. Hey, Siki, yes. Hey, Chris from Sir Fred. Hello, sexy girl. Hi. Charot. Tiger. Hey, Tiger. Thank you for the likes. Yes, 260. Oh, thank you. Fred, what's up? From Sir Chris. So sweet. Really? I'm sweet. You don't know me. So cute. Maybe cute. Hello, Adhel. Adhel, Hans. Thank you. Hi, Jay. Thank you so much for supporting. Miss you. Really, thank you so much. Just having coffee and new class. Oh my God. Thank you for liking me, guys. We miss you, Bray. I met you tomorrow. Why? Why you meet me? Huh? Why you meet me tomorrow? Why tomorrow? For me, beer from Sir Chris. And me, thank you for the like, subscribe. Thank you. Hi, okay, darling. Number one security, hello. Hi po. What? Wait, someone say you're sweet. They really know you. I don't, maybe. Really, I'm sweet? Oh my God, I hope I'm sweet. Good morning. Hello, Turkey from Okay. I meet you tomorrow morning. Why tomorrow? Why you want your location, huh? We miss you tomorrow, Bre. Your place. No, she not giving you location. Yes. I am from Balikizar, Turkey, and staying Balya. Hi, nice to meet you, sir. Number one security, hello. 9 95184 blah blah blah. Oh my god. Where are you from, Bridges? No location, yes. Sweet and sour. Maybe you meet the rooster. Are you go to Turkey holiday? No. I'm going to America. Not happening fox. Yes, I am Indian. Okay. I'm prefer American. Location, they wish. You love Indian. I don't know. Spend 4 times. Are you good to like Turkey? No. I'm busy. Oh, wait a minute. Hello, Chris. New Seeking, New Jersey from Surpat. Very nice, beautiful, my dear friend. Very nice. Thank you. No, I don't. I don't want to go to India. Not now. I have no time. I have no time. I have no money. Not now. She goes to CR for holiday. Yeah, something like that. And it goes CR. Oh my gulay. You find someone. So, thank you, Sir Pat. No, no location. No location. No. No location. I come to no. I'm busy. I don't. You know what? Here I'm too busy. That's why I don't have time to entertain people. Even come they visit me, friends here. I have no time. Even my friends here, I'm not going hang out with them because I'm too much busy. Sorry. I'm here location Earth. Circle. It looks like Bridget likes you. Maybe something like that. Maybe he's young. Yes. Bridges, she busy, not happening. I'm sorry. I'm too busy. I have no time to hang out, meeting someone. Even friend here, they felt jealous because I'm too busy. Even my family, I'm busy a lot. If I have a free time, my time is bonding with my son, my family, something like that. Since you're so busy, Mike can come visit by himself. Huh? Yes, he visit him by himself, right? Oh. He will be visit, he will, he will be visit me 4 months. And for Mike can come to my mountain because you're too busy to come. Huh? It's fine. Bridges will definitely not come to visit you. He is just flexing, yes, something like that. Something like that. You lie, it's fine. I lie. You want to come with him. Yes, because if I... Oh, what? You, Mike, can come to my mountain because you're too busy to come. Ah, when Mike came here, of course, I'm not busy. I'm free. If he don't want to come with there, if he don't want me with him to come there, that's not fine. Sir Tom, hi Sir Tom. I love confusing her. Oh, no, you're not busy. Right. Good morning, Sir Tom. Where's Bridges now? Oh, where's Bridges now? Ranjan. Suddenly disappear Bridges. Jesh. You are looking nice as usual, Cheryl. Oh, thank you, Sir Tom. Morning, Kwan. Morning looks. My God. Ah, he went to Vietnam now, Ranjan. Hi from Florida. Hi, Sir Greg. For Zed. For Hi, Sir Greg. It's really difficult for me to pronounce English. Greg for Seth from Florida, USA. Hi, Sir Greg. Sir Chris, yes, need to drink coffee now. Coffee time. Fred, you get this girl. Bridges is just bugos. Bugos? Wait, I need to search the bugos. Bugos means... Ah, okay. Now I know. Bogus is not... Ah, okay. Now I know. Thank you, Ranjan. Where are you from, Sir Rajan? Bogus is fake. Ah, okay. Now I know Bogus. I have a lot of fun learning here on YouTube. People educate me. People here educate me most deep, 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 kwan, deep word, deep English word. Sometimes bogus is bogus. I am also from India, but I am supporting Fred here. Ah, thank you, Sir Renjan. Thank you so much. I am also, yes, thank you. Angel Benitez, thank you. Well, thank you, Ranjan from Sir Fred. Valmero Sosa, hi, Angel. You Ranjan. I have some good subscriber and friendly from India. Oh, that's good. Wow, yes. Some Indians are good. You better take her to a nice dinner. Wait. She not my wife, Ranjan. She a friend of mine's future. Yes, I'm a protector. Uh, oh my god. She's a good friend of mine. Yes, whereas Ranjan, we're friends, good friends. I never said she is your wife. Do you only take your wife to dinner? Oh shit. And are you? No, I'm from Bicol. I'm Bicolana. Bicolana. I'm Bicolana. Wait, I know. Oh my god. Oh my god, no. Oh wait, why was something like that? I am from Bicol. Where is the chicken? The chicken here is everywhere. Oh, okay, Rajan. And yes, I only take my wife. If I took another Filipino, my wife would get the machete. That's good. Patamangeli, the chicken here is everywhere. Love. I would take the shows with my wife to Dana though. Oh, thank you, Sir Fred. That's not interesting, man. Huh? What? What do you mean, Rejan? Take her to dinner separately, huh? Why? That's not good because my happy not one, not agree with that. That will not work here. People here are jealous. Yes. Hello from the USA. Hi, thank you from USA. Have a nice day. Something like that. Go on a date with Fred. He seems like a good guy. Yeah, but I think here that's not good. Yes, that's not good here. Something like that. Live your life for people. Let them be jealous. No. Hi, Renat. Skills, Renat. That would cause trauma, yes, a lot. Trauma, heavy drama. Heavy drama. My God. Yes, even the, oh my God, not good. I won't try to tempt Cheryl from her boyfriend. I was too late and I will just quietly cry in my soap. Hi, Sir Tom. Hi. Well, then Bridges had a chance. You blew it up. I'm engaged, Rajan. He didn't have a chance. Yes. I'm engaged with someone, Kwan. He is probably crying now. No, that or not. Alright. Oh my god, you are engaged. I didn't know that. No more dinner date then. Yes. I'm engaged. Yes, Rajan, I'm engaged. First time viewer from New Jersey. Hi, from New Jersey. Thank you so much for joining. New Jersey, USA. Thank you, sir. Dakilang magtanggol. From New Jersey. Lol Rajan. No more dinner date. Yes, no more dinner date. Oh. Na, da, 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 da. Thank you so much for watching. 22 people in the house. Hi. Yes, nice to be in your live vlogging. Ah, thank you. Thank you, sir. From New Jersey. Where in Jersey? Oh yeah. Bridges, it's okay. Takes back. When you hold your hand like that, I don't know if you are showing me your ring or your fest. My fest? Fest. What is fest? We know you are reading. Reading? Yes, I'm reading. When we're in Jersey from Sir Fred. We know Pember, Pemberton, New Jersey. All your life. fest. Ah, the fest. Yeah, I am a teeny tiny, but I have a kwan. The muscle. Is your house under construction? Yeah, something like that. Under construction. Fred Farrell from Virginia, New Jersey, for 38 years old. Ah, okay. Are you Kwan? Are you Filipino or American? Are you looking for foreigner, not for Filipino? Almond de la Cruz. I'm engaged with an American foreigner American, so no need to looking for foreigner because I already have. Yes, those fest. Yes. Bridges, we build it for you. Bridges will build it for you. I have not enough money to pay for work here, so still saving. Yes, I am. Ah, okay. Filipino in heart. Ah, okay po. Sure is under construction also. My God. So cute. Gabi, init ko man sa tabi tubig. Okay lang. Kama dito na lang ang initan, kaya di din nila ako mainit. So cute. Wala mo tubig, may tubig na yan. Never stop growing, Cheryl. Yes, thank you, Sir Tom. Thank you so much, Sir Tom. Fred, her construction is a lot easier on the wow, what a cute. I'm cute. Ha? Ano bago na? Kuhain man tabi ako kuya. Tapos butahan mo asukal ha. Butahan mo asukal. Tapos ano? Ba yun? Kutsara. Thank you. I'm cute. You got plenty of admirer here, Cheryl. Other friends, Sir Dakilang. What is your real name? Good afternoon, beautiful. Good afternoon to you. Morning here. Who is Cheryl better than? Bridges was cute too, but we made him run away. Oh my God. Willie Rodriguez. Ah, Willie Rodriguez. Nice to meet you, Sir Willie. Alvarez. Something. Something. Hi, Emilio Gallo. Wait, I need to adjust. Thank you, guys. Ba't ako yung suka? Make the coffee. Oh my god, no more fun. No more coffee. Take a Ranjan. Okay, my girlfriend is calling. Fred. All the best, man. Thank you, Sir Ranjan. I'm in the Philippines. Yeah, I'm in the Philippines, Emilio. You've been to Philippines, right, that girl? Hi, Europeans. Take us Ranjan. Then it's hot, 34 degrees. Hot here, hot weather here in the Philippines. I'm Filipino to greet you. Hi, Poba Porfu. Poba Porfu. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. 21 here. You are very beautiful. Oh, really? I'm beautiful. Oh my god. I feel beautiful. Extremely beautiful. You're funny, huh? Extremely beautiful. Shout out, Sir Pat. You're a beautiful woman. Thank you, Ronnie. Like and subscribe, share, everyone. Thank you, Sir Pat. Oh my god, you're a beautiful. So true. Thank you, my friend. You agree? Guhari. Hi, Guhari. Hello, my heart. Guhari. Hi. Welcome, sister, from Sir Pat. Sir Chris. Thank you, Sir Chris. Hi, Sir Joe. Linda, I love you, beautiful woman. Thank you, sir. Thank you po. Guhari. Guhari, thank you. She taken Guhari as well. I miss you so much. Why you miss me? I'm always doing a live here on YouTube every day. If you miss me, you just go on. Watch my videos here. Yeah, all this love talk in the morning. Thank you, 18 people in the house. We miss you, Guhari from Sir. Thank you, guys. It's morning only for you. For some of us, it's still night, Fred. Yeah. I know you're here, but the fault is mine, and I apologize for that. It's still night there, Rajan, and here already morning. So that's because different time. Yeah. Where are you from, Cheryl? I'm from the land of Bicol. I am not sure about your country. Ah, okay. For yes, it's night 4 and 12 in the Russia. Ah, okay. Time check here is 6:30 in the morning. 6:30. Yeah, 6:30 here in the Philippines. Manuel and Zua. Hi. Two 30 hours time difference. 2.5 hours time difference. Morning, hi Nell Champman. Good morning. Mustafa Ergo. Hello Mustafa, this is beautiful lady. Hi Mustafa. I just had a call with my girl. She said it's 12 in Russia. She went to sleep. Ah, okay. Your girlfriend is Eurasian. Hello Manuel from Serpat. 'Yeah, sure. Is from Kaliningrad. Ah, okay. That's good. Nice to hear for you, Sir Ranjan. You like Western man? What is that? What do you mean? Turkey Mustafa, you're very beautiful. Do you know that, madam? I don't think so. Hello, Neil. What do you mean, Neil? Western man. Sexy, and I know it. Thank you so likes. Thank you so much. Looks delicious. Thank you, Amatorandex. A good time to sleep. Have a great day, night, everyone. Thank you, Ranjan. Thank you for joining. Have a nice day. The rooster crows a lot, yes. The rooster crows a lot. Speaker Ranjan from Serpat. Hi, Sir Donnie. Welcome back. Good night, Ranjan. From Serpat. Beep, beep, bear. Hey, Sir Tony. Hi. Hey, Donnie from Sir Fred. Ay, from Sir Pad. Ano ba yan? Hey, AZ10 Akin from Turkey. Hey, Fred from Sir Donnie. Glad I don't hear chicken and rooster like you. Yeah, you're lucky. 41 people. Hey, Pat from Sir Donnie. Manuel. Everyone hit the like button. Thank you so much, Sir Fred. Or the dollar sign. Better the dollar sign. Everyone hit the dollar sign. Hello, Azerbaijan. I see the post with you donating. It's called Stop Sheryl. Yes. Sir William Ring sent me on my PayPal, and I will give it to the kids. School supplies for the kids. He said I will. It's up to me where I can. It's up to me where I can. If someone helping, something like that. So I will choose them because he said it's up to me uh, if I use that money for me or to others. So I choose them because they need that. They need for their school. Going to school is coming soon. It's called Pay It Forward. Yes, Pay It Forward. I tell you the same thing. It's up to you when I send. Yes, thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you, Sir Fred. It's helped a lot. You're too kind. I hope I'm kind. Everyone kind. Maybe different ways. You too, you're so kind. You send me. Thank you, Sir Fred, for sharing your blessings. More blessings to come. You're always kind. Really, I'm kind. But sometimes I'm gone. Thumbs up po. Thank you for the thumbs up. Live in North Carolina. Thank you po. Now I need to scam mic and get some back. Oh my god. Joke. Nothing says. Hi, live in North Carolina. Thank you so likes. Thank you so likes. We are good sis. Oh, that's good. Good to hear for you. Live. Excuse me, may marami po kaming ulam. May karne, may manok, may gulay. Mayaman po kami. Yes. Hindi ako papayag na maghihirap ulit ako. Charot, joke lang. Papayagan ang sino man hahadlang sa aking pag-asinso. Charot, joke lang. Thank you. Someone buying selling the fish. She said, I'm still broke. I said, no, I said, I'm still rich. Oh my god. We are watching from Greensboro, North Carolina, sir. Says, thank you so much, live in North Carolina. Thank you. God bless everyone. You are rich, yes, I'm rich. I'm rich in love. And I'm rich in heart. Rich with, yes, rich with love, yes. Rich in love. You're welcome, sis. Thank you. Like Luis Luis Coronado. Hi. Sorry. Hello, Smith family. Good to see you. From Sir Pat Smith family. Smith family. Who's the Smith? The life in North Carolina, Sir Pat. I saw them a while back. Ah, okay. Hi, thank you. Thank you so much po. Alright, alright. Saan darating ang mga salita na gagaling sa aming dalawa? Thank you, 11. Thank you sa nagla-like. Salamat sa likes dito. Dun, 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 dun. Got charged my phone, low batteries. Okay, take your time, Sir Pat. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining, Sir Pat. God bless. Take care, everyone. Thank you so much. Eat people in the house. Pear, dog cat. Hi, hello, little cat. Hi. Meow. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Hello, kitty. Meow, 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 meow. 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 Something, someone's got me. Ouch. Thank you, 6 people. Hi. Flexi Vlog. Hi. Flexi TV Vlog. Thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up. Suddenly quiet. Oh my god. Sing, sing at ka. Gary Miller. As soon as I can see you. If you want to see me, you, maybe you will watch my videos uploaded. You will see something like that. Sorry, was on phone. That's fine. No worries, Sir Fred. No worries. Hello, Frixie from Sir Fred. Hi, Sir Fred. Good morning from Frexite to Frexite. Frexite Ma. Oh God. Sorry, honey. I missed what you said. Hi, I said hi, Sir Gary Miller. I said, if you want to see me, maybe you will search my videos. You will see my whole body there. So, so I don't no need to stand up, something like that. I dance there, so you will see, say, see. While another house, going through all my clothes to donate to family members. Oh wow, that's great. Oh, you're so kind, Sir Fred. How are you, Frexie? Oh, that's good. I like that one. I'm good, Sir Fred. No work for today because it was holiday. Okay, I was, yeah, okay, no worries, Gary Miller. I don't wear most of them. Ah. Every day a holiday. Yes. I thought every day is love. Every day is Koan blessing day because we both we wake up still alive, something like that. Stay healthy. Oh, that's right. I'm retired. So, oh my God. Today is another day, working day, my God. Aray ko. Leave your folders, Cheryl. Yeah, the Folgers is one. Empty. The Folgers. I love Folgers. You know what? The classic. Something. Adol. The Muslim. Idul Adha. Holiday of Muslim, the Philippines, included in the calendar, yeah. Hi, I'm Andrea. I'm man. 44 years old from Italy. Your name is Andrea, but you're a man? Profita Tazkaria. Hello everyone from Brexit TV vlog. Oh, okay, Muslim holiday. Well, enjoy your holiday, Brexias. Enjoy. Today is a holiday, no working days because of Idul Adha. When I'm in Manila, when I'm working in Manila, yeah, we like holidays because if we work in holidays, it's double pay. Yeah, something like that. I'm 64 years old, man, except on Fridays. Oh, yes. In Philippines, Andrea is named for a lady, right? Yeah. Andrea name here in the Philippines is uh, lady. Yeah, Andrea name for the lady. That's why I wonder why Andrea is a man. In Italy is a yeah is a man in Italy. Name Andrea, something like that. Thanks, Sir Fred from TV, Brexit TV. All over the Philippines, Sir Fred, while enjoying it, those who are working in public and private work. My hubby is 67 years old, man, except on Fridays also. Oh, my, my hubby is 67 years old, man, except on Fridays. Huh? Yes, in Italy, Andrea is for men. Okay. Now I know. Thank you for educate us here. Andrea name man in Italy. Frixie, I'm in Mindanao, and my wife will opens the clinic today. Eye clinic. In other words, Mike is 67. Oh my God. Maybe he loves you the most. Nothing, please. What? Oh my God. Private school, sir. Are you working private school for TV vlog? Private school. Oh, that's right, Frexie. What's grade you teach, Frexie? What grade you teach, Frexie? But there are instances that some private sectors are following some holiday sponsor. Um, also likes. Thank you for loving me, Euripides. Euripides. I found you standing and I quite impressed. And you are, oh, I'm happier. Yeah. Senior high school. Wow, senior high school. That's good. Freaksy TV Vlog. Thank you for joining. Hottie means sexy Cheryl. Ah, hottie. I'm sexy. Thank you. Hottie means beautiful. Okay. I'm beautiful and sexy. That's good, Frixie. I never even finished junior high. Dance with me. Will you marry me? Oh, why should I marry you? I don't know you. Where are you from? What is your name? Blah blah blah. What? But did you get what we call guild in USA, which is equivalent to high school diploma? But I got that a while in the army in Germany. Really? Your friend. I am 100% loyal. I'm not questioning about the loyalty because something like I don't know where you are from and your name, your age, blah blah blah, and I'm engaged. Thank you so much. 76. Yes, the 76. Mike have a mistress living in Mindanao. Mike is two lovers. Yay. Yeah. Maybe Mike need to choose because he have a two lovers. You have a great man, sure. likes. Thank you so much. So all hit the likes. Thank you. Don't start believing all the pride stuff. It's all just joking around. I know, my God. I'm just joking. My God. Hi, hello, good morning. Hi, Jet Chowdhury. Hi, Jet Chowdhury. My wife called me and Mike gay. Are you gay with Mike and Mike? Are you a gay and Mike? Because you love each other. Especially after I showed Mike's video proposing to me. Yeah, that's why. You sincere, you love each other, huh? Hi, Frank Craigs. Let me, Europeans, you are one. I love a lot of people. Even you. Oh, thank you, Sir Fred. Your family, thank you. Mike too. We love also Mike. And I'm thankful, Sir, Sir Fred. I want to say thankful to you because uh, for the something like wait lang. I don't like my just wait. No, because when I throw back. No, I'm serious now. Joking, I like Michaels. I'm serious now. I want to say thank you, Sir Fred, for taking care of Mike since the day that remember what happened to him something before. So you protect him like something like that. And then when I meet him, then we met. Until we met, you concerned about that. And then yan. And no, I something like one. He don't deserve some felt broken. Fred needs to be protected and stand up for people. Thank you, Sir Fred. I'm glad you and him are. Yes, me too. You guys, thank you, Sir Fred. Oh my. Thank you sa likes. Thank you 15 people in the kuan. Oh my god. Brad, man, dito pa sa short. Thank you. Okay pa. Take your time, Sir Fred. Coffee. Darling, just dive right in and fall in love. Life in the moon, falling sweet. I never know what it's on me. I just get to I know it'd be alright. Darling, just hold me. Ah, I'm back and you're gone. I'm here. I just bike one. Sir Fred, Mike, ano, I bought this. Bam, bam. Oh, oh my God. Sorry, I'm used to sit like this. It's weird. You know, comfortable. Something like that. Thank you, 10 million. Oh wait, I need to give this the kids. Wait. Mom Cheryl. Sir Fred, are you still here? Answer me, please, joke. I'm not here. My phone typing by it. Oh my God. Aray ko. Sorry. What? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ano ba? Oh, little baby. I'm going to throw this phone down. Oh my God. Super my God. Filipina humor is funny. Why you don't have tooth now, Cheryl? Yeah. Disappear. My God. Broken. Maybe it will stop. My God. Is Cheryl your buang? Yes, I am. I'm going through this phone. My God. I'm dumb. Very Fred. You're funny but not this fun. Damn, phone won't stop typing. May gulay. So you're LDR with Mike. Yes, again. You're LDR again. Hello, kiddos. Sir Fred. Hi, Sir Fred. She's wonder because she she watching us here. ang tinapay. O, kato na ka. Give mo mama. Give mo kanto na mama. Dali, come on. Give mo mama. Tatay dito. Come on. Give mo mama. Come on. Love you. Maybe marriage coming. Yes, marriage. Yes, that's right. Because I'm engaged. Marriage is coming. LDR again. Temporary LDR. Maybe. Yeah. Maybe. Red flag. Why? Why red flag? Why? Marriage is red flag. Why? Why marriage is red flag? Why you may ask? Marriage is red flag. Why you may ask? I don't know. Why? I'm asking you why your marriage is red flag. Anger, because fights, anger, jealousy, and children, all maybe red flag for the wrong person you marriage. For me, red flag for the wrong person. But for the right person, genuine one, it's not red flag, it's happiness. No need to argue, no need to fight, no need to feel anger, communicate each other, good communication, calm, plan each other. I hear you. That's why I stay single. Maybe because you meet the wrong person. That's why. Not not equal, not match each other. Maybe you're not matured enough to having a marriage, because marriage is different. For me, it causes anxiety. It causes stress issue. Because if having a bad past, something like that, having a trust issues. But if you meet the right one, I think you'll not feel that. You feel comfortable, happiness, many red flags. Been with mine since 2009 and all great. Read what I said, Fred. That's why I stay single. Marriage is red flag. Why you may ask? Because fights, anger, jealousy. Yes, because if you marriage like because you are a man and you having a doubt married for the woman, because maybe that woman you have a doubt, because if you meet the woman, uh, now you still just a boyfriend and the girlfriend, and you fight a lot, trust issues a lot, and you overthink, what if you marriage, what about the marriage each other, so it's getting worse. That's why you're with, for you is marriage is a red flag, so it's opinion. So if you find a good one, the woman, the not look something like that, you having a trust her, and then happiness, no more fights, no anger, good communication. Communication is very important in a relation. Without communication, not works. It doesn't work. But it means to eat less. That does that make sense? So define other people to feel the huh? Because marriage is not about just the kwan, just the sex, something like that. So it's not all about that. It's the marriage is like the companionship, You happy with you decided to gather each other. No need to something like that. It's all about no, it's not about like that. Maybe some, yeah, some are talking about that because marriage they are expecting. I think that the thing is just part, but not all the time. But that the marriage is not uh, for that. What do you think? But that's what helps calm the nerves. I don't think so, but because me, I'm not looking about that. I agree. Healthier ways, it's about being there for each other. Yes, companionship each other. Like it's enough for me. It's enough because like me. Okay, it's up to me. Some are why I choose older than me because a lot of younger than him. I choose the man I want to be with younger than him. Yeah, they strong and they stay healthy and then this young. But why I'm not choosing them? But because uh, I'm not looking for that. That's something like that. And I want looking for the true, genuine love, true to you, loyal, something like. Because in trusting people nowadays is very rare. Even your friends, even the family, something like that. Not just guys, but women also. Yes, also women. A lot of women I know here, they cheating. Even they are in a relationship. So I agree, Shara. Even they are in, yes, I am agree with you. Even in the woman, a lots of women here also do something like that. Even my friends do that. So that's why I don't like that. I don't like that. I'm disagree about that because having a you're you're in a relationship with, and then you entertaining someone, and then you enjoying someone, and then but you're in a relationship, something like that, and then you get the benefit both. You are getting the benefit both, so no, that's not good. You need to choose what the best for you. If she ignores you, that's a red flag, Nate. Yeah. No, it's because of reasons. Because a lots of women here, not all, but some women here are cheater. Not only here, but in other country, in other kwan, are cheater because of they get the benefits. Because some are greedy, some are selfish, something like that. Some are. That's why we are choose to we that's why we have the right to choose the person who we want to be with, live together, uh, something like that. You choose, but your decision is the consequences. Be ready the consequence in your decision. If your decision is good, you for the good cause, you will be the consequences is good. So something like that. Something like if you're doing bad, of course you're but not now. But the karma is you will feel it the karma later, but not now. Maybe later, maybe twice, twice, triple, double, something like that. I like Philippines. She doesn't get it yet, Fred. but never Philippines. She has to understand what that Nate. I've flown many places. Fly and meet her, Nate. I will not. She want marriage and I said I'm not ready. Yes. You know what? You're not ready because you have a doubt. So, right? She doesn't get. Yes, I do need. I asked her about selling Kuwan for extra dollar. Joke lang. Selling Kuwan. This time, Fuller retired her since July 2024. So she got mad and left. Huh? What? But did leave her 2010 to 2015. I still can't retire, Fred. Fred, may I ask you from Cernet? Yes. What you're asking? Are you not worried about the war coming to you? Is why having a war? When you live, where you live? I'm guessing. Sir Fred living here in the Philippines. Don't you worry about it. Not all men. Yeah, there's talk of things on the news. Could be lies. It won't make it that far. But I can't focus on a relationship with all that. So that's why you don't, that's why marriage for you is a red flag, right? Because here, nowadays here, they are like fling. No need to commit. Because fuel is a big crisis. Oh my God. Hmm. And life is not easy. Life is not easy there in US. Oh my God. Yes, the thing is living with people while marriage is acceptable. Some people in the US hard. Okay, not good. Fuel is big price yet, but people is still buying. Live in bunkers. Did you know the Cheryl they have dumps bunkers? What dumps bunker? What dump? What means dumps bunker? What it means? They live in those because there is cord of life above. I'm sure some do live in bunkers, but not because of what's going on. Doomsday. Because of fear of things to come. Bunker is like building underground. Oh my God. Really? Living under the grounds. So they build their life underground and for not bad prices. Oh my God. $50,000 bunkers? Oh my God. A lot of money. Oh my God. Yes, cheap living. Oh my God. living. No, not really compared to $850,000 homes. Oh my goodness. Expensive living there in America. That's not a lot in the US. That's not a lot in the States, Cheryl. Ah, oh my God. It's that cheap compared home to homes. They save on electricity, something like that. Shell sold one of my semi trucks for $140,000. Oh my God, a lots of money. You're rich, Sir Fred. Nice, Fred, from Nate. They even have a snow shoe for this living in bunkers or tiny homes. I'm poor. Now he can send you 5 super chat. Let's go, Fred. Sir Fred sending me on PayPal, not super chat. I don't do super chat. I send her, yeah. He can't do super chat. He send PayPal. And he help a lot to people, I think, needs. But by the way, what's the benefits of being your member, Cheryl? I the benefits. I think the benefits is like it will recognize you. You are the one of the one because you have mic. The membership is like one a very supportive one for my channel, something like that. The benefits. Yeah, to be closer friends and show support, yes. Having a membership here, like a genuine supporting me here, so something like that. Because lots put interesting content for for their benefits. Oh yeah, yeah, something like that. But if not, no need to pay pressure to being a member. Just like the YouTube one, the ways to earn money here. What about the $999 benefit? What do you mean? 999? What do you mean needs?
Bumpo ka na rin.
Dire pa man. Kai, Kai,
Ano na?
that's her prize. No, I'm a priceless. No one can. Who is 1999? No one can afford me. I'm not selling. No, maybe it's 9.99. Maybe if you offer other Filipinas something like that, or 1,000. No, it's actually $1,000 buddy. The membership $1,000. a month. It's $99 a month. 99 no. What do you mean? I don't understand. Can you explain it? $1,000 a month. Are you asking if what the benefits? If I could screenshot, I would. Okay. Okay. Maybe you can membership $1,000. Really? You can, Nate? I can't share error. I thought you can. What the pen? So what are you talking about 1,000? It's on your membership. It's on my membership. It's have a membership. Membership. The membership. Wait. The my membership genuine. I put it in the genuine love is like 29, like 30,000 a month. Cheryl sent you. I will send. I'll send a screenshot. Okay. Yes. 99. No, that's not a $99. It's 99 pesos. Uh, yes. The high price of my membership is 30,000 something like that. 29,000. Look, I will. Okay. It says 999. No. Look, my membership. My membership is a pesos, not a dollar. That's crazy low. It says 79 pesos, not a dollar. Different dollar. If you convert to dollar, maybe $1.50, something like that. And the one is 129 pesos. It's called a Sheryl Love Farm from No Serious Sheryl. Yes, 99 pesos. No Serious Sheryl. What benefit do people get? The benefit do people get about my membership is my very close friends here and showing a support. It says the dollar. Maybe you are living in US. That's why it shows dollar. Something like that. Maybe. And it says maybe this is the 5,999. Maybe it says like what the I'm not paying. Oh, okay. No worries. Not pesos. Okay. And then the other one, the genuine love. No, who would? I don't know. It's just the membership. You have some crazy content. It's okay. That expensive yarn. Oh my God, Nate, I'm not asking you, Kwan. You need to change that. No, I don't change. Why should I change? It says a peso here, not a dollar. That's what a plain ticket. Don't stress yourself, Nate, about that. Okay. It not pressuring. That's not a pressure someone membership on my channel. It's fine, no worries. Imagine someone does it. Yeah, if someone does it, oh my God, I feel so lucky. Yes, I feel so lucky. That's mean he spent a lot of money for me. Something like oh, but they will ask for something. The if will ask for something like the benefits, no boundary. I have a limit about that. The he would be spending $100,000 US as 1,000 US dollar. If someone, the benefits of that is a membership. That's the benefits. You are the one who's supporting me, show supporting me here. That's why the benefits. They will get friendship only. Uh, th- obviously, needs. Obviously, if you are showing the support, you will like the genuine people, friends. If you show me the support for me, you will get the membership without asking what if the benefits from me, because just choose the support. If you do that and asking me what the benefits for me and asking uh, not for my one, not for my criteria, something like you're getting like 23 peso, like 23 peso, yeah, something like that. It's for just for the people who wants to afford, not pressuring, not one, something like that, for just one membership. Yeah, for no, if someone, if you can't afford, it's fine, because it says for me it's a peso, not a dollar. It is peso, not dollars. Yeah, don't pressuring yourself if you want, if you, it's definitely dollar, definitely dollar, because you living in the US, something like that. I gotta screenshot this lul. Just change subject. I don't know, maybe something like that, because it says here for me it's a peso, not a dollar. And then the other one is $129. Oh my god, really? Cheryl, what extra content you doing, girl? Lol. Oh my god, imagine if someone get the membership, something like that, for Mike. Oh, why? Why for Mike? 'Wanted to make your day and their day, lul. Imagine this some loaded guy, huh? And find out, damn, it's got nothing. What do you mean, mates? I seen one streamer have two people get her one. Huh? I seen one streamer have two people get here $1,800 membership, but they got a lot one bids. Yeah. Maybe if someone ligaw my live streaming or something, my channel, what if someone membership, something like, what you think? It's kwan, a lot of bids in channel perks loss. Me nothing. You gotta add bids na. Or something like that. Still busy here. Imagine nothing. That's like Angel Man. They just do it from here, there, heart. That's like Angel Man. Angel Man? Yeah, like just like an Angel Man. I sorry, excuse me. I already have an Angel Man. So I think you added a random one. Random one? You haven't added any beds to it yet. What do you mean? Random membership amount. Ah, random membership amount. Naturally beautiful. Thank you, Amateur Realmbox. Chicken. Yes, sir, Nate. It's all about pesos. 100. Yes, Sir Fred sent. You look, Sir Fred sent me 99 pesos a month, 99 pesos a month, pesos, not a dollar. And then 169 pesos a month. And then something like that. And then 1,490 a month. A different here on the membership, maybe because of YouTube charge. Different from me. And then 7,990 a month. And then 39,990 a month. Oh my god, a lot. 13, oh my god, a lot. 39,990 a month. Or something like that. So different. Per month, yes, a month. 199. Yes. Screenshot myself. See Sheryl Ohm. Yeah. It's all for support. Yeah, it should the support. If it's not, it's fine. No worries, Nate. To your membership only, yes. You need, yes. Yeah. Why 909, why 900 for support talent pay? Supporting your channel and effort, something like that. If you don't get the membership, it's fine, no worries. Nate, it's just for like show the support. Yes, but not 1,000. Imagine, Nate, if get 1,000. Oh my gulay. Imagine it if they get the $1,000, $900. Oh my god, I'm so lucky. So what, it doesn't matter how much. It doesn't, Nate, it doesn't matter if how much. If you think I'm not a good creator, I'm not YouTube video, something like that. But if they like me, so maybe you think I'm not a good content creator if someone's show the support. But people choose what they want to support, right? People choosing you if they supporting you or not. So it doesn't matter. It matters when it comes to hardworking people. Mates, if some people are rich, so they they spend uh, money to those who liking, who like to supporting something like that. What about these guys wanting a good time? No, I'm not like that. That's different. They spend big money loan. You overthink about that. What if the benefits, something like that, the benefits of this, they giving you a lots of money, but this my channel, they get the supporting, the membership is just the support. It difference from like what the benefits from me, something like that. This membership is just support the YouTuber, the content creator here on YouTube. It depends on your mind. different. My goodness, mates. Yeah, but your membership could be like $35. Yes. If anyone can afford, it's fine, no worries. But even if they are not membership on my channel, we're still friends here. No worries. $68 maximum. Oh my god, this is my channel, so I decided what or what. So I'm not changed. So I saw one lady who posts crazy content. Her highest price is only 68 maximum. Imagine the Ken. Imagine the Senate. Yeah. Oh, you are crazy. You are overthinking. If someone sending me something like that, you don't happy with me. If someone sending me a lot of money for that one, I if you are a good friend for me, you will happy what I get here. Some right. Don't feel get jealous, ha? No, I'm thinking because that's what they think they're getting. No, the membership, you get the membership because you show support. You give the support. Show supporting, yeah. Give the support. I'm trying to help you, Cheryl. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate you for helping me. But no worry, I've been doing this a long time now. Okay, but maybe I'm looking, but it's fine. No, for me, whatever it is, no. Because if a guy asks, no, I'm always say no. Because if you can, if because I'm not asking for the membership, uh, like the benefits from me. Because if you get the membership, just show supporting me. That's really appreciating. But if they expecting benefits from me, no need to do that. That's what I mean. Okay, no need to do that. Now I respect it, but you need to tell them. Yes, I really appreciate those who people give the support. Remember Sir John? Okay. For the example, Sir John, he's my friend last year, even before. And Sir Fred and Mike were not yet met. Sir John, I met him before last year. He's a randomly sending. He's randomly sending on my Gcash because my father going to the hospital, so she willing to help me randomly. I don't know him. Then suddenly, who's this John? He's just a mysterious man. Oh my god, how I tell him that I want to thank him because no contact, just sending me on my Gcash. Then suddenly she's watching on my live. His name only is J user blah blah. Then oh my god, who suddenly uh he's a mysterious guy. Then suddenly I want to say thank you to Sir John blah because the name on the Gcash it I will use them. Then suddenly I recognize it's Sir J user or something like that. Then suddenly I say thank you for them because of my father before. Then I say thank you. He's a nice guy even before. He knows about me, and now yes, user sent 500. Yeah, I'm not asking him to send me that guy. You know what, Sir Nate? I'm not asking him to send me that super chat, or I'm not asking. He just want to send me. So that's why Sir John is really, and Sir John knows about me and Mike. Yes, he happy for me and Mike. I'm just curious. That's all, okay. Sir John, he's happy about me and Mike. Uh, he just want to supporting me here on my YouTube, and even before, he's a friend of me, good friend for me. I teased him before. He don't like Guan. He's a very he's a very private person. If a guy comes and he's a lot of money, and like a guy did to my friend channel and he sent her 500. Yeah, you know what? If just a friend, it doesn't matter. Then say, show me your kuan 300,000. It's, you know what? That's the personality test about the woman. You know what I mean? If guy show you, if a guy show you, you have a me, I have a boyfriend, and some other guy offer a lot better than support Mike supporting me. He Mike supporting me, and someone guy offer me a lot of money, bunch of money, something like that. Should I? The temptation is always there. But if you are be honest on your relationship, should you do that? I won't mention the name yet. No need to mention. Just for the it happens. Yeah. For the example, me and Mike in a relationship, and she's supporting me. But if someone uh, uh, asked me, like he offered me a bunch of money, something like that, so because he rich than Mike, then of course I think the natural thinking, he's supporting me than he better to supporting me than my man, because he rich than Mike, something like that. And that's why the temptation is everywhere. Most you are in a relationship, but it's up to you. You are in a relationship. What you choose? You choose the rich man, or you choose your love so much. But that's the point, is someone is a cheating. If you entertain that, if you entertain that rich one offering you a bunch of money, it's your choice. But you, if the cut and you said you are engaged and you are in a relationship, they will not continue about that. Maybe if he willing to help you, no need to ask. Okay, and you need to tell your partner that someone offers something like that, and help someone. It's not a good, because the important thing is the it's about whatever you do. That's why I always say, whatever you do, it's your choice. You're doing bad, it's the consequences. It's always about your choice, something like that, because it always happened to the woman. Because if you looking good to other men, and they're even I'm shocked, then membership also, what the fuck. She said I can keep going, guys. What are you talking? Maybe you're not talking about here. Maybe talking about someone. You worried about your girlfriend, because if someone meet, she met here, maybe you don't trust her. Because if you trust her, another channel na. Because if you trust her, even someone willing to give on, maybe because you having a doubt if she's just like a week na another YouTube channel. Another YouTube channel. Okay. So, for another YouTube channel. Okay. If someone sending here, like maybe she's not, you worried about if someone, you know what, you worried about if someone sending much money, and then asking like personal, like show me your kwan, show me, because he sending the money. It will happen here in the Philippines. If she's a Filipina, it happens. Imagine being sent, like, yes, it happens. That's why having a failed relationship, because cheating, the greediness is something. Yes, the greediness, selfish and disrespectful. Because if she respect her relationship, if she have, then she will. And if she respect her relationship, she will tell about something like that. No. because money is just a money you can earn about that. No, she's a single, I think. Oh, what if the single? It's okay, it's fine. It's just, you know what, whatever, if she's single, she's choice about that. No worries about that. You know what, it happens also. If she's in a relationship, if the single, it's their decision in life. Yeah, this is decision. If someone offer her just a bunch of money and then asking what the show me the one, it's her decision. It happens. It's her money now, yeah. So it's good she earn the money in a good ways. No need to scam partners, no need to scam people to having a money, no need begging for money. That's not good. Begging for money, I'm poor, I need money, I'm poor, oh my god, I have no poor, I have no food, my rope is raining, the rope is gone, I have, my kids sick, my mom is fell sick, my dad fell sick, that's why I have enough of money. That's not good. That's just like the way of is coming. My father is sick. We have no foods. I'm too poor. The red flag. Then she dances slow. Yeah, you know what? Here, just so picking a vlogger, but also it's a job also because we earn money. But no need to, because a lot of, no, it's real talk, some are using this platform on YouTube not only for the gifts, here receiving the super chat, some also using this YouTube for scamming people, like, no, that's it. It's also using this platform, YouTube platform, for scamming people, and then like they using like the poverty. My father is sick. I'm so poor for coming and making happiness to the guy. Yes. Also, they are pretending they are single, even if they are in a relationship or a marriage. They're very reflect here. This coming, they pretending they are in not in a good term in a relationship. Even they are in a relationship or marriage. Some are marriage and a relationship, but they pretending they are single and ready to mingle. And then they always using being a poor to what, to scamming people, to scamming hiding they don't have a Filipino relationship. Yeah, something like that. Even they have a Filipino relationship, they hiding because the something like that. A lot of Filipina doing that. Can you get into trouble in Philippines if you do that though? No, no, never. That's all over the world, not just Philippines. Yes, not all. That's all over the world, not only here in the Philippines. Like a legal trouble, no, never. I never trouble because a lot of, not only here, maybe they have a lots of multiple like the commitment, multiple commitment, not only one. If trying to meet someone for money and she in a relationship, yes, she can get in a trouble. Yes, I heard you can't get divorced though, right? No divorce here in the Philippines. So that's why it's a very different here in the Philippines than the other. You get annulment, not divorce, yes, but it's a long, very long process annulment here. That's why a lot of people having a relationship and it's not yet annulled, but they also in a relationship in another relationship. takes longer to get annulment. Yeah, that's why affairs. Yeah, they have an multiple affairs. That's right. Even in they are in still get married and having an affairs. So another, my wife got annulment before she met me. That's nice, Sir Fred. It's that's good, Fred. That's that's uh but I know her ex and he is a good guy. But I know her ex and he is a good guy, yeah. But yeah, this is stuff is heavy to chat about it na. Okay. Just wasn't a good husband. Ah, yeah. That's also good needed in terms na I get you. So that's why, Nate, you're not want to get married because a lot of negative relationship you heard about couples, other couples, something like that. But if you meet the right one, you will do it. Maybe not now, but at the perfect time. Yes, because I don't trust enough yet. Yes, because if you want, if you what do you call that? If you trust the person, maybe yes, the baggage. It's and also she's very tampo tampo. Ah, you don't like her tampo tampo. Ah, she's a Filipina, right? Filipina is very tampo tampo. I love her natural, but she doesn't trust me. Because she maybe you both each other no having a trust issue because LDR, yes, uh, LDR is hard, yes, because of communication, lack of communication. I think doesn't work. Do this after a very long time because her friends, yes, also friends, my friends gossiping, Marites. Sometimes not only Marites, but sometimes your friends her getting you, flirting you, and her friends flirting your jowa, something like that. Her close guy friends. Ah, one. Something like that. That's why trust issues. Something like that. That is and me with meeting my church friends exactly, yeah, something like that because yes, you're so on the states of that you love someone but you don't trust because of what she doing. Maybe you overthink what if she lies, what if she meets someone, what if she talk something like that. But she should trust me with my church friends. Yeah, action speaks louder than voice. What if she kicks me out of her home if I travel to Philippines? Why? I thought you love each other. Why should she kicks you out of her home? Love is not like that. I don't know about a 12-hour ride, 12-hour flight. Just to be chucked away because of her being tampo tampo. Because mood swing, don't know. I don't know her. Maybe because different, ano, where she from? I think she can do that. Tampo, woman tampo, I think it's just a temporary. You need to so you here. No need to, your ego is like one. Communicate each other is better. You know what? Communication is good for an relation. Most you are on the long distance relationship. If you, if her tampo is, if her tampo, what do you call this? If you allow her tampo destroy your relationship, that's not good. What about soyo? Soyo, not so. Soyo. I need to end the live now because I need to work. Thank you, Nate, for joining. Not that's, I'm not saying that suyo. I'm not suyo, suyo, suyo. Different. I need to end work well, sure. Yes, I need to end the live. Thank you so much, Nate, for joining my live. Thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you, guys, here on my channel. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Because time is up. Bye.